Oh, did you just say story time?
I did! Today we're gonna have a silly story time, Gerald.
Oh, yes? Well, what is story time about today?
Well, you're gonna have to wait and see. But there might be some little birdies. The birdies are flying, flying, flying. The birdies are flying, flying to your head. Plop!
Huh? A bird on my head?
That might be what today's story's about.
Oh, boy.
Hi, friends! Did you see Piggie and Gerald out there today? You did? Well, welcome to story time today. I'm Miss Ashley, and we're going to read today a book with Piggie and Gerald. So let's find out what it is. Oh, there is a bird on your head. Huh? Is that where a birdie belongs? Does a birdie belong on Gerald's head? No! Where do you see birdies? Flying in the sky? Oh, or maybe on a tree. Or maybe crawling on the ground. That's right. Well, Gerald, why do you have a bird on your head today? Let's go find out. There is a bird on your head by Mo Willems, illustrated by Mo Willems, and published by Hyperion Books for Children. Let's go! Oh, tweet, 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 tweet. That is a lot of birdies. Oh, boy. There is a bird on your head. Tweet, 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 tweet. Ooh, that looks like a good place to land.
Piggie? Is something on my head?
Yes. There is a bird on your head.
There is a bird on my head?
You! Oh boy! Oh, this little birdie got startled.
Is there a bird on my head now?
No. Now there is 2 birds on your head.
Uh-oh. What are 2 birds doing on my head?
Oh, they're in love. Thump, 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 thump.
Do you see the heart, friends? Did you hear their heartbeats? Can you find your heart? Thump, 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 thump. Very good.
The birds on my head are in love? Oh.
They are lovebirds. Tweet, 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 tweet.
Lovebirds? How do you know they're lovebirds? Huh?
They are making a nest.
2 birds are making a nest on my head?
Is that what's happening, boys and girls? Are the birdies making a nest on Gerald's head? Oh.
Why would 2 birds make a nest on my head?
Ah, thump, 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 thump.
Oh, there's that heartbeat again.
I'm afraid to ask.
Ah.
Do I have an egg on my head?
I don't know, boys and girls. Do you see any eggs inside of the nest that is on Gerald's head?
1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head.
I do not want 3 eggs on my head.
Then I have good news.
eggs are gone! The eggs are hatching! Oh, boys and girls, these eggs are hatching. What do you think we might see next?
Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching?
Oh, what's happening to our 3 eggs? They are hatching. Cheep, cheep, cheep. What happened, friends? That's right. We see 3 baby chicks that hatched in the nest on Gerald's head. They have hatched. Oh, Gerald and Piggie. Piggie thinks it's a beautiful thing to watch these baby birds hatch.
Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head.
And 2 birds and a nest. Wow. Oh boy, how do you think Gerald is feeling? Maybe a little frustrated, right? What is this nest these birdies doing on his head?
I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birdies, and a nest on my head.
Well, where do you want them? What do you think, boys and girls? Where do you think the nest should go? Yeah, maybe we can find a safe tree for the nest.
Somewhere else!
Oh no, I'm flying around, help me! Whoa, rook Why not ask them to go somewhere else?
Ask them?
Ask them! That's a great idea, Piggie.
Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else?
What do you think? Will they go somewhere else? Chip, chip, chip. No problem. No problem.
It worked. Oh,
Goodbye. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. It worked, Gerald. All you had to do was ask nicely, and look, the birdies are going to go find a new home.
now there are no birds on my head. Oh, thank you, Piggie. Thank you very much. Oh,
He's relieved. Yeah.
You are welcome.
Oh no! Where did the birdies and the nest and the little chicks find their new home? On Piggie's head! Uh-oh, now Piggie's a little frustrated. The end. Now take a look. There's our little family of birds. And what are they having to eat? Ooh, some wiggly worms. How delicious. Oh, and I even spot a friend of ours. Do you see him? Right, some of you might know our friend Pigeon. Pigeon loves to sneak into Piggie and Gerald's books. Hey, go back to your own book. Great job, my friends. Give yourselves a big hand. That was so much fun reading with Piggie and Gerald today. And what did we find on Gerald's head? A bird. Good. How many birdies? 2. And a bird's nest. And how many eggs? Do you remember how many eggs? 3. And those 3 little eggs hatched. And we got 3 little chicks. So silly. We needed to find them a new home. I'm so sorry that happened to you, Gerald. Where did they find their new home? On Piggie's head. Oh, so silly. All right, well, goodbye, Piggie and Gerald. We'll see you again. Thank you, friends, for joining me today with Piggie and Gerald and reading our story. I can't wait to read with you all again soon. So have a great day and happy reading. Goodbye.